Hey, what's up guys, it's Laashak again in a new video. Today we are going to talk about something important. Well, so in front of me I have a JBL Flip 4. First of all, just before beginning with the video, this is not a sponsored video. And then let's continue with how to use the JBL Flip 4. So here we have the device itself. In this video, I'm going to go through all the buttons and their functions, so that you know what it's basically a button walkthrough the hardware. So let's start with the top. Here we have the vibrating part where it does vibrate to give a better sound quality while playing. And here you have some buttons. This is where the important part comes. So here you have the power button, so that boots up the device. Okay, that's the booting sound, and this means it goes off. Alright, and this is a special function. So this means JBL connect. So you can connect many devices, many JBL devices. Alright, so as I was talking, it was JBL connect. So which means you can connect many JBL devices at the same time with the same phone. And then you have the Flip 4 logo for me. Then so you open it up. When you do open it up, you see an aux cable. So, well, a microphone jack. A headphone jack. So it's a 3.5mm headphone jack, where you can connect your aux cable and play music from your phone. And you also have a USB connection. So this is used for charging, and the charger is included with the box. This thing is completely sealed, since the whole thing is waterproof, so it's gotta be clean and sealed. And here we have a few more buttons. What are these? Well, the first one is for pairing and used only in the first time. These two are the volume adjustments, and this is for play and pause. You can also have your voice assistant, for example, Google. Well, you can say, "Hey Google," and it'll activate the voice assistant in your phone, and you can talk to it through your JBL. That's gotta be it for the button walkthrough on a JBL speaker. Catch you in the next one.